My name is Dr. P. R. Goswami. I am presently working as Director Library and Information in the Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, New Delhi. Now, I am going to cover a subject under Library and Information Science. The module name is Public Libraries, Norms, Standards and Guidelines. In this module, I would give you a very brief description about the various standards or guidelines to be followed in the public library development in India. I will briefly mention about the standard of Bureau of Indian Standard and IFLA UNESCO guidelines as well as other service guidelines which are relevant for this module. Public libraries are instrument for cultural, social and economic development of a nation. They are generally funded by the local government and library services are provided free of cost to the public. At present, there are two sets of standards or guidelines available for developing public library system or service in India. They are number 1, Public Library Guidelines IS 15339:2003 that is developed by Bureau of Indian Standards, New Delhi. The second one is the Public Library Service IFLA UNESCO Guidelines for Development, IFLA publication number 97 published in 2001. Another recent publication, Libraries Gateways to Knowledge, a roadmap for revitalization, published under National Knowledge Commission in 2007, also provides certain guidelines for public library development in the country. The first one, that is the BIS standard, is basically a document enumerating administrative structure and governance of a public library system in India. It also contains a blueprint for Model Public Libraries Act for Indian states. Definition of a public library and its objective have also been included in this standard. It also lists certain other Indian standards on libraries. They are standards on library buildings, specifications for library furnitures and fittings, including metal shelving racks, wooden shelving cabinets and library lighting. The second standard, that is known as IFLA UNESCO Guidelines, provides an outline of various types of activities and programs that are associated with public library development in a country. They can be grouped under heads like role and purpose of public library, legal and financial framework, meeting the needs of users, collection development and human resources and management and marketing. National Knowledge Commission's working group of libraries has also enumerated certain guidelines for public libraries. They mostly relate to modernization of services, staff training, collection development, etc. The working group has also made major recommendations, including the proposal for permanent National Commission on Libraries for a country like India. The service guidelines for public libraries should be formulated with certain purpose. They relate to access to information as well as promotion of literacy, education and culture in society. They must provide services based on an analysis of library and information needs of the local community. Collection development policy of public libraries should take care of distance learners, and internet access facility should also be provided so that students of distance learning can access their course material easily. For rural public libraries and middle size urban or district headquarter libraries, certain configuration related to space, number of books, periodicals and newspapers, reader seats, workstations, etc. should be followed depending on size of population, and also certain basic services based on local needs such as skill development training program, social events, etc. are to be organized. Special services have to be designed keeping in view the needs of physically challenged or differently abled users of library. These may include number 1, provision of books in braille, number 2, provision of services of library staff to read out to visually challenged readers, number 3, audio recordings on cassettes for visually challenged members, number 4, easy entry to library building by constructing ramps, and number 5, special toilets, etc., etc. As regards guidelines for modernization, modernization projects should include internet access facility, digitization of intellectual property right free material including rare books for easy access, photocopying facility, electronic resources, databases, etc. Also, recommendations of National Knowledge Commission's working group on libraries to be considered in this regard. The standards of library services are very important for any library development. For implementing a nationwide library coordination and cooperation plan, standards are to be followed. There are service standards as well as technological standards. They facilitate exchange of bibliographic records, resource sharing and other forms of library cooperation. Open standards or standards that are not controlled by any vendor need to be followed as they allow interoperability. Standards have to be developed by public libraries keeping in view local needs with regard to size of collection, staff, special services for children, women, etc., including physically challenged and differently abled groups. There are certain guidelines for marketing and promotion of public libraries. A written communication, marketing and promotion policy is needed for a public library. A peer group is required to meet public intellectuals, politicians, government officials, local bodies and media to promote library use and also to raise funds for libraries. Staff training in library cooperations and techniques needs to be supplemented by training for development of soft skills, that is better interpersonal relationship and behavioral training. Performance indicators for libraries have also to be developed and applied for betterment of services. Norms for legislation and funding are also important. For the purpose of maintaining the required level of service, public libraries should be supported by legislation and sustained funding. Modern Public Libraries Act, as enumerated or given in detail in the standard developed by the Bureau of Indian Standard, may be followed for library legislation in different states of India. A public library should not charge fee from the readers. This method, that is charging users for services and membership, should not be used as a source of revenue for public library. Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation has been set up by the Government of India to develop public libraries in the country. It provides financial assistance to libraries under various matching as well as non-matching schemes with the states. On the basis of recommendations of the National Knowledge Commission, a national mission on libraries has been set up recently by the central government in the year 2012, and it is expected that the National Mission on Libraries will take care of public library development in the country in a big way. The general remarks about the public library is as follows. The diversity of Indian society is an important factor for consideration while developing standards or guidelines for libraries. In India, there are many languages, religions, customs, rituals and traditions. The success of a public library will largely depend on the factor how closely it is based on the culture of the locality on which it operates.